Hello everyone, Deb here. I have a small Stampin' Up! Haul, and I also got my paper pumpkin yesterday, but I'll probably do that in a separate video. So I just wanted to show you though, this was netting off cheese. Those little round cheese things that are in wax. And I was gonna cut it and throw it in the trash. Always cut your netting so that animals don't get totally caught up in it like circle, like this. But I'm going to keep this piece because it's small and I can store it. And wouldn't that make a cool stencil? So I'm going to put it with my stencils. Okay, Stampin' Up! Has some online only exclusives that started March 5th. And I jumped on just a couple of them, not all of them. So, but first, I had bought this, and I don't like these stamps. They do not stamp well. The egg, I only used this one, and it was okay, but I don't know if you can see, there's like little ridges like there, and especially the words, they stamp fuzzy. So I didn't buy the dies again because I got these dies, and the dies seem to work fine. I'm curious whether they're the same size now. So I got these because Stampin' Up's is red rubber, not acrylic or whatever these are made out of. And also these are very thin and flimsy, not like good photopolymer stamps, just so you know. I got these off Amazon, by the way. So, yeah. And, yeah, for $10 for a stamp and die set, not bad, except the stamp is crap. But even just for the dies for $10, that's a good price. But I took business away from Stampin' Up, so my apologies. So anyway, I just want to see the sizing. I think they're going to be fine. And I have used all these, obviously, to try them. Okay, so it's just this size. Looks like it'll be fine. It'll work. It'll have white around the edges. So only that one stamps out, or die cuts the dies. I don't know if Stampin' Up's dies are different. And then there's this die, but there's also this smaller decorative one, but that won't cut that. Well, I don't think it does. No, it's a different pattern. So this one will have to be fussy cut. This one with the bunnies is what die cuts out. And yeah, you can kind of see. And then the bunny cuts out. Let's see. Yeah, that'll work. There's going to be some white around the edges, but well, I don't know. It's not looking like it exactly fits. It might. No, I'm not sure that bunny will fit this bunny. So I might still have to use, well, I'm not even sure I tried the other bunny from in here. Let me see the bunny size. Where did I just put it? This bunny is bigger than this bunny. So, isn't that interesting? So this will fit the one in here, but not the Stampin' Up! Bunny. Okay, lesson learned. They're not the same sizes in all the items. So, boo-hoo. Anyway, I got that, and let me put this back away. So I'm going to keep it all together and try it, but I'm disappointed the bunny doesn't fit because, it means I had to fussy cut Stampin' Ups. Okay. All right, so what I get for online only, I got this set of embossing folders called Fun Patterns embossing folders. Now, I don't know, this came up in the feed. I don't know if this was online exclusive only, but it's really cute. Let me find a piece of paper with some color to it. I have crumb cake. Oh, this is a card, but it'll work, I think, if I can get them open. This one is floral, like daisies. I do have a daisy embossing folder from a different company. And I think it was Honeybee Stamps, but don't hold me to that. So there we go. Cute. These are the small ones that work in the small machine, but they also work in the big machine. And then this one is like a diamond pattern. So these are pretty, and I will definitely be able to use them. That's what they look like on the paper. So that's the first thing. And then I got this Pets No More, which is a reversible stamp. It has a kitty, an owl, another kitty, a rabbit, and a doggy, and a little fish, paw print, and bowl. So reversible means you can color it in, like a background color, and then stamp your other image. These are shown at 80%. I thought it said 20%. I'm like, huh? So here it's showing them stamped with the backgrounds. And here they are. So basically you just use the image, and then if you flip it over and use the smooth side of the stamp, then you get the gray. Sometimes I do that accidentally. Anyway, I thought I'd give them a try because I like the puppy and kitties and bunny and everything. And then what I really went there for was this one. Simply Zinnia. I don't have any zinnias in my stash. I have a lot of flowers, but not zinnias. Sending flowers and thinking of you. That's a nice sentiment. Words fail to express my gratitude. And thank you so much. I can use all of those, and I think these are beautiful. Now they did have, this is like a whole suite. They did have 12 by 12 designer paper. I didn't really care for it. I don't know, there was something about the colors all together. I just didn't really like it. So I didn't get it, and I don't need it anyway. I have a lot of papers I can use just fine, and other stamps for backgrounds, and even this one has background, and I have embossing folders. You know, I can make do with what I have because I have a lot. And this is the dies. I just want to check them. Ugh, maybe I can get them out. There we go. So really pretty zinnias. And here's the dies. So it looks like we have a die for this, and a die for this, and the leaves. And then there are some standalone dies here for leaves and the centers of the flowers. The, what do you call this? That's like a leaf stem. Maybe that goes with the leaves. Let's see if that fits on there. I think it does. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it goes with this. But anyway, you can use that. And here are flower centers too. For this one, see how it has like stars going around it? This has little stars going around it. And cute. And then here's little extra star things and a stem. So just really pretty. I like it. I like zinnias a lot. I don't have any, but I like to look at them. Oh, they're so pretty. Anyway, yeah, that's my little haul from Stampin' Up. I didn't get a whole lot because, you know, one bundle is a little expensive. This, I think, was only $9 or $10 maybe. I can't remember. And also this is probably like 15 or 16 or maybe more. I don't know. So yeah, I spent a little bit of money, but not a ton. I don't really need a lot, but I needed to get a good stamp for these Easter eggs, and I'll use the dies I already bought. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day, and stay tuned. I'll do the unboxing and make as intended for this, and then at some point, I don't know, maybe later next week, not this weekend. I have to do my taxes. Ooh, boo. So it won't be this weekend, but I will come back and do some alternatives with this too. See you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.